Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngoThando Nesithembu. Next up, Ubabaki. Hey, guys, Umusa Mseleku is in love. Umusa, yo, like ngiyaqala ukumbona Umusa so. Umusa, it's like I don't know, uqala ukuthola ini empilweni yakhe. Umusa, yo, guys, the things that Umusa is doing noMakhwela ngiyaqala ukuzibona nqa. I think ukuthi it would have been nice basibonise le relationship Umusa has with uMakhwela with the other wives, but maybe it's because of vele mayiqala laba abanye I nesibali thing nasizula stako high but ngisina lo nshara kanisa ukrekisa yitori inki but nonetheless, moving on, Umusa is in love. Umusa is so excited ukuthi there's going to be a child. Umusa is literally excited engathi uyaqala nqa empilweni yakhe yokuba nomntwana. Umusa is showing uMakhwela relationship goals. Ngithi uMakhwela feels protected, uMakhwela feels covered. Umusa is making the things that make the pots to be done, literally. But why angathathanga uMakhwela amuthi bomb ku vacation kuvele kube sawa for everybody, amuthi vala ku vacation go senyege once nna ke rata drama bathong. Okay, sorry guys, sorry.